Nattie would dissect every single mistake that was made. We would have to go back over all of the plays.
I represented his club team whilst going to school. We were a member of the national team in 1991, where he did something for me that, trust me, if people knew, well, I hear a lot of sentiments being expressed of how helpful he is. And I can tell you, I can attest to that, because he helped me during my first national game that was held here in Jamaica. So he's sadly missed by me. I know he wanted to see basketball at an extremely high level. He was really putting in the work to have that happen. So to lose him at this moment is really a big loss for basketball.
Driving up to the funeral, my mom was talking, and she was reminding me I was away. My mom got a stroke, and I was worried. I was worried about how she's gonna go to her appointment and so forth. I got national duty and so forth. And I called her just to find out how she's going to get to her appointment. I never forget, when the voice says, big man, why you about that old man for? Where and so forth. It was she and Marland in the car, because they actually had their relationship.
As a matter of fact, we often joke about.
President, you're here on unfortunate circumstances and saying goodbye to Marland Nattie, who has contributed so much to this game. Your thoughts on, as you look back, you've worked alongside him, you've known him for so many years. Your thoughts on Marland Nattie, the man?
Well, Marland has left a deep hole in basketball administration in Jamaica. As you are quite familiar, Marland has spanned the whole gamut of basketball, from a player to a coach, an administrator. And as I mentioned earlier, he has, because of his transition into CBC and FIBA, he knows all the processes, procedures required. And he is certainly a leader who has ensured that he has passed on a lot of the knowledge that he has to support Jamaica basketball.